Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will teach you how to log in into your student loan account. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for student loan login. Now there's tons of websites through which you guys can log in into your student loan, but you have to know which country you belong to. If it's UK, this is going to be the one. So you have to choose like which website your account is created in. Mine's created in this one where it says myloan.student8.albert.ca. So I will click on it. But if your options are other, you want to click on other. Now once you're in this page where it says username, just enter the username of your account. And where it says password, just enter the password of your account and click on login. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your student loan account. And if you forgot your username and password, you can click on these two options to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful on how to log in into student loan account, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.